The EOS R is Canon's first full-frame mirrorless camera, and the first to be built around the all-new RF mount. The R incorporates a 30.3 megapixel CMOS sensor, similar to the one used in the EOS 5D Mark IV. The sensor supports dual-pixel CMOS autofocus and 4K video recording at up to 30p. Dual-pixel CMOS autofocus covers a significant portion of the image area and results in snappy, accurate focus acquisition. When it comes to video, the EOS R's 4K footage is very detailed. Full-width, Full HD video capture is also available at up to 60p. Despite the EOS R's compact form factor, it includes a high-resolution electronic viewfinder and tilting, touch-sensitive rear screen. The screen can also be used to place the desired autofocus point by touch, as well as to scroll through and zoom into captured images. The EOS R's user interface incorporates aspects of Canon's entry-level and mid-range DSLRs, but with a couple of unique elements thrown in. There's no exposure mode dial for one thing, and an all-new multifunction bar can be customized to fulfill a variety of different roles. For more information on the Canon EOS R, visit dpreview.com.